In today's fast-paced digital world, we are constantly seeking ways to work smarter, not harder. Microsoft Copilot emerges as a powerful ally, utilizing the latest advancements in artificial intelligence to revolutionize how we work with information and technology. Imagine having a helpful assistant by your side, ready to assist with writing, editing, data analysis, and even creating stunning presentations. That's precisely what Copilot offers. An AI-powered companion integrated seamlessly into familiar Microsoft applications like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Copilot is designed to understand your intent and provide intelligent suggestions, streamlining your workflow and empowering you to focus on what truly matters. Whether you're crafting a compelling report, designing an impactful presentation, or deciphering complex datasets, Copilot stands ready to elevate your productivity and unlock new levels of creativity. Gone are the days of wrestling with tedious tasks and struggling to articulate your thoughts. Copilot is here to transform your digital work experience, making it smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Let's delve into the specifics of how Copilot can revolutionize your approach to writing, presenting, and analyzing data. Writing can be a daunting task, often requiring significant time and effort to articulate our thoughts clearly and effectively. Microsoft Copilot steps in as a valuable writing assistant, simplifying the writing process and helping you produce high-quality content with ease. Imagine starting a new document with only a vague idea in mind. Simply type a few keywords or a brief outline, and Copilot will intelligently generate relevant text, expanding on your initial thoughts and providing a solid foundation for your writing. Copilot can also help you overcome writer's block by suggesting different phrasing, synonyms, and even entire sentences, ensuring your writing remains engaging and flows smoothly. It's like having a brainstorming partner on demand, ready to spark fresh ideas and keep your creative juices flowing. But Copilot's assistance goes beyond just generating text. It can also adapt its writing style to match your specific needs. Whether you need a formal tone for a business report or a more conversational style for a blog post, Copilot can adjust its language and tone accordingly, ensuring your writing aligns perfectly with your intended audience and purpose. Once you've finished writing, Copilot seamlessly transitions into an astute editor, meticulously reviewing your work for clarity, conciseness, and grammar. It's like having a personal proofreader at your fingertips, ensuring your writing is polished and professional. Copilot can identify and suggest corrections for grammatical errors, typos, and punctuation mistakes, saving you from embarrassing blunders and enhancing the overall quality of your writing. It can also detect awkward phrasing and suggest alternative word choices, helping you achieve a more natural and engaging flow. Beyond grammar and style, Copilot can also assist with summarizing lengthy texts. If you're short on time or simply need a quick overview of a long document, Copilot can condense the most important information into a concise summary, saving you valuable time and effort. This feature is particularly helpful when dealing with research papers, articles, or reports where extracting key takeaways is crucial. With Copilot's comprehensive editing and summarizing capabilities, you can be confident that your writing is clear, concise, and error-free, leaving a lasting impression on your readers. Creating engaging presentations can be a time-consuming endeavor, often involving juggling content creation, slide design, and visual elements. Microsoft Copilot simplifies this process, transforming PowerPoint into an intuitive and efficient presentation powerhouse. Imagine starting a presentation with only a rough idea of your topic and key talking points. With Copilot, you can simply provide these initial thoughts, and it will intelligently generate a structured presentation outline, complete with relevant slide titles and content suggestions. Copilot can also suggest appropriate visuals to complement your text, such as images, icons, and charts, making your presentations more visually appealing and engaging. It can even help you animate these elements, adding a dynamic flair to your slides and captivating your audience's attention. But Copilot's assistance goes beyond just content and visuals. It can also help you with the overall flow and structure of your presentation. If you need to rearrange slides, add or remove sections, or create transitions, Copilot can make these adjustments effortlessly, ensuring your presentation flows smoothly and logically. For many professionals, working with data in Excel can be a daunting task, requiring a deep understanding of formulas, functions, and data manipulation techniques. Microsoft Copilot bridges this gap, making data analysis more accessible and intuitive for users of all skill levels. Imagine being able to ask questions about your data in plain English, without needing to write complex formulas. With Copilot, you can simply type in queries like, "What is the average sales for this quarter?" or "Show me the top performing products," and Copilot will instantly process your request and present the results in a clear and understandable format. Copilot can also help you identify trends and patterns within your data that might not be immediately obvious. It can generate charts and graphs to visualize your data, making it easier to interpret and draw meaningful insights. Furthermore, Copilot can assist with data cleaning and formatting tasks, which can be tedious and time-consuming. It can identify and correct errors, remove duplicates, and format your data consistently, ensuring your analysis is accurate and efficient. To unleash the full potential of Microsoft Copilot, it's important to understand how to communicate your needs effectively. Here are some example prompts to get you started. Word: write a paragraph about the benefits of using renewable energy. Rephrase this sentence to make it more concise. Insert sentence: summarize the main points of this article. Paste article text. PowerPoint: create a presentation outline for a product launch with a focus on key features and benefits. Suggest a compelling image for a slide about customer satisfaction. Animate this chart to show the growth over time. Excel: calculate the total revenue for each product category. Create a chart showing the monthly sales trends. Identify any outliers in this dataset. By using clear and specific prompts, you can guide Copilot to deliver the precise results you need, making your interactions seamless and productive. One of the most remarkable aspects of Microsoft Copilot is its ability to understand and respond to natural language. This means you can interact with Copilot conversationally, using everyday language instead of complex commands or syntax. To get the most out of Copilot's natural language processing capabilities, keep these tips in mind. Be specific. The more specific your requests, the more accurate and relevant Copilot's responses will be. Use keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords into your prompts to help Copilot understand your intent. Ask follow-up questions. Don't hesitate to ask clarifying questions or provide additional context if needed. Experiment with different phrasing. If Copilot doesn't seem to understand your request, try rephrasing it or using different words. By embracing natural language interaction, you can unlock a more intuitive and efficient way of working with Microsoft applications, freeing up your cognitive energy to focus on the bigger picture. Microsoft Copilot is more than just a set of handy features. It represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. By harnessing the power of AI, Copilot empowers us to work smarter, not harder, unlocking new levels of productivity and creativity. With Copilot, we can save time and effort, automate tedious tasks, streamline workflows, and get things done faster. Improve the quality of our work. Enhance writing, create more impactful presentations, and gain deeper insights from data. Focus on what matters most. Free up cognitive space to focus on strategic thinking, problem-solving, and innovation. Asterisk. Unlock new possibilities. Explore new ideas, experiment with different approaches, and push the boundaries of what's possible. By embracing Copilot as our AI partner, we can break free from the limitations of traditional software, unleashing our full potential and achieving greater heights in our personal and professional endeavors. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of the digital age, it's essential to embrace tools and technologies that empower us to thrive in this new reality. Microsoft Copilot emerges as a game-changer, fundamentally transforming how we work, learn, and create. With its intuitive AI-powered assistance, Copilot seamlessly integrates into our daily workflows, streamlining tasks, enhancing creativity, and unlocking new levels of productivity. It's no longer a futuristic concept, but a tangible reality, available at our fingertips, ready to revolutionize the way we interact with information and technology. By embracing Copilot, we're not just adopting a new tool, we're embracing a future where technology augments our capabilities, allowing us to achieve more than we ever thought possible. It's time to step into this exciting new era of digital work, where AI becomes our trusted partner, empowering us to reach our full potential.